Yeah, I am having different water bottles, right? You can see. Look here. What is sound? So, matlab, if we are striking anything, like this is the okay, that is the sound. You are saying the sound. Okay, we will discuss now. We will read about the new chapter, that is sound. Right now, what is sound? What is sound? Like as I am very nice. Okay. Okay. Is sound is same? Right? Look here. If I am doing, this is tuning fork. कुछ हिल रहा है? Okay. Can you see what is happening in this case? It is moving, vibration. That means what we have to discuss. What is sound? It is a form of energy. Sound is a form of energy. It is a form of energy. Sound is a form of energy. अब ये आपके पास क्लियर हो गया कि साउंड जो है that is the form of energy and we can as I strike so you can hear that sound. Sound आपको clear है, right? How sound produced and how it moved from one place to the another. आपके तक मेरी आवाज कैसे आई? हवा से. वेरी नाइस. और कोई? वो मैंने बोला, ठीक है. आप टर्म्स बोल रहे हो. अब सिंपल है कि साउंड इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी which produces a sensation of hearing in our ears. Is a form of energy, okay, which produces sensation of hearing in our ears, right? That means as I am saying, if I will say Anve immediately will look, है ना, Avni, yeah, any, okay, so that means if I am saying that is the form of sound is a form of energy, how it travels from one place to another. How is sound produced and how it travels from one place to another? Two questions we can discuss here. How is sound produced, or we can say how does sound travel from one place to another, right? As all of you are saying, as I showed it to you, if I am hitting this tuning fork, yeah, as the bell ring, है ना, immediately we come to know कि the next period is starting, है ना? How it travels, how that sound comes to us? By air. So what is actually present in air? Who transfer that sound to you? Vibration. Where the vibration occurs? To the object. That means when they will strike the hammer on the gong, okay? Yeah. So what at that time what happened? As I am saying, like I am doing, okay? This particle, ये देखो, it is actually I can feel, okay? And as I am doing, so it's vibrating, okay? Vibration is what? 2 and 4. लाइक बैक एंड फोर्थ। एक चीज नॉर्मली आप घरों में करते हो, जो ड्राई क्लोथ्स के लिए फॉर ड्राइंग पर्पस द वायर इज देयर ऑन द रूफटॉप, ठीक है, व्हाट वी यूज्ड टू डू, हम उसके साथ हैंग करते हैं या वी यूज्ड टू डू लाइक दिस, है ना, उसको हिलाते हैं। व्हाट एक्चुअली इट इज sound produced. Why this sound produced? Due to the vibrations. Vibrations है कहाँ? Look here. If I am saying, I am taking this. Okay. Pencil, only pencil. नीचे से अच्छी तरह से, ठीक है? Like this. Can you see? Can you see the rubber is moving? Up and down, that is the back and forth movement. And what is that back and forth movement? Vibration. ठीक है? We both can hear the sound. Can you hear this sound? I can also, because we are very near and the rubber is like there. ठीक है? As it is moving, the rubber is moving up and down, back and forth. And when it is moving back and forth movement, then vibration occurs. Due to these vibration, the particles, air molecules that is present near to this rubber band, they will also vibrate. Like if we will make a line here, ठीक है, अगर मैं इसको पुश करूंगी, अगले वाले को क्या होगा? Say, ठीक है, you saw the games on the mobile also कि coin को hit करते हैं तो it automatically सारे coins आगे जाके hit होते हैं, ठीक है? What is that? कि when it is striking, that means the vibration. When we are doing, look here, again look here, doing it, the vibration, back and forth movement, that is vibration. When it moves, the particles near to air molecules, the air molecule present to this rubber band, it also vibrates. And when this vibrate, it strike to the another air molecules. It another air molecules, जब तक कि वो मेरे एयर तक क्या आ गए, जितने molecules हैं, they will vibrating and I can hear the sound of this rubber band. अगर आप भी सुनो, सुनाई देगी, ठीक है? So this is what these are called. This is called the vibration. So write down the next definition, vibration. We will write down. पहले vibration definition लिख लो, then we will write down. How is sound produced? That is, we discussed that is through the vibrations. Vibration. Write down what is vibration. लिखे, it is a rapid back and forth movement of a body. It is a rapid back and forth movement. It is a rapid back and forth movement of a body about its mean position. About its mean position. ठीक है? That means sound is produced by a vibrating body. We can see sound is ठीक है? What is the meaning of the mean position? Actual position. I'm just showing it like this. This is what its mean position. When I will strike, rapid back and forth movement around of an object around its mean. Mean मतलब this is the actual position. ठीक है? When we are moving, it moves up and down, to and fro, आगे पीछे, back and forth like this, back and forth. That is what? That is the movement. ठीक है, about its mean position, that is called the vibration. Is this clear? Now write down the rubber activity which they showed in the book. आपकी बुक में they had taken like 2 nails उन्होंने लिए हैं या 2 pins, fix it on the wooden plank या wooden board या rubber band, any rubber किसी के ऊपर भी they have to stick these 2 nail pins and tie a rubber band over there. ठीक है, तो then they will show you. Okay, I already showed you. And the tuning fork I showed you. ठीक है. Now write down जो क्वेश्चन हमने लिखा था कि how it travels from one place to the another. As the bell is ringing, how we can hear that sound. ठीक है. So write down. Sound is produced by the vibration of a sound is produced by the vibration of a sound is produced by the vibration of an object. The vibrating body produces sound in the form of energy. Vibrating body produces sound in the form of energy. ठीक है, sound, vibrating body produces sound in the form of energy. The vibrating body transfers this energy. The vibrating body transfers this energy. कहाँ भेजेगी एनर्जी ये? Write down. The vibrating body transfers its energy to air molecules close to it. The vibrating body transfers its energy to air molecules close to it. ठीक है? Then what happens when it passes to the air molecules? Air molecules also starts vibration. ठीक है? Air molecules also starts vibrating. Air molecules also starts vibrating. Also starts vibrating back and forth with the same frequency. The air molecules also starts vibrating back and forth with the same frequency. Same frequency. क्या बोला? Vibrating back and forth with the same frequency. ठीक है? Naturally, we will discuss all these terms, frequency, oscillations. We will discuss because we have to do the numericals. But here I had written here, you had written the word frequency. So note down the meaning of the frequency. So you can write down number of oscillations per second. Frequency के नीचे write down the definition so that the term is clear to you. We will definitely discuss the terms later on also. But here we had written the term frequency. What is the meaning of frequency? Number of oscillations. Oscillation तब आपके पास एक word नया आ गया, oscillation. Now what is this oscillation? Oscillation है क्या, है ना? Like this. If we are, this is a bow, ठीक है, string है. घरों में even clock होती है, right? Wall clocks में भी sometimes this pendulum is there, ठीक है? When it is moving like this. This is oscillation means अपने मेन पोजीशन से आगे और पीछे मूव कर. ऑसिलेशन को वी कैन से टू एंड फ्रो मूवमेंट, टू एंड फ्रो मोशन या टू एंड फ्रो मूवमेंट वी कैन से. ऑसिलेशन वर्ड क्लियर? यहाँ पे दो टर्म्स, वी विल डिस्कस these terms later on, but here I told you with the same frequency. What is the meaning of frequency? That is with the पर सेकेंड, ऑसिलेशंस पर सेकेंड मतलब कितनी जल्दी चीज आगे और पीछे गई 1 सेकेंड। अच्छा, यू कैन ऑल्सो सी, आप रैकेट खेलते हैं है ना, वी कैन टेक अ लाइव एग्जांपल लाइक रैकेट्स बैडमिंटन होते हैं, सम टाइम बहुत जोर जोर से शॉट्स लगाते हैं, ठीक है, आगे पीछे सम टाइम वी यूज्ड टू डू, तो क्या होता है, साउंड आती है, दैट मींस रैकेट इज मूविंग बैक एंड टू, मतलब टू एंड फ्रो मूवमेंट, ठीक है, तो वो 1 सेकेंड में एज इट इज मूविंग तो साउंड इज अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट। सपोज आपने एक स्टिक पकड़ी है, स्टिक पकड़ के भी कई बार हम उसको ऐसे ऐसे करते हैं, साउंड इज अगेन देयर, ठीक है, दैट मींस कोई चीज आगे पीछे इमीडिएटली फास्ट मूव कर रही है, देन द साउंड इज वेरी हाई फ्रीक्वेंसी, हैविंग अ हाई फ्रीक्वेंसी, दैट मींस लाइक इफ आई एम सेइंग कि कोई चीज बहुत तेजी से, अब रबर बैंड ही है, ठीक है, वी हैड सीन द रबर बैंड अप एंड डाउन हो रहा है, ठीक है, अगर तुम उसको आराम से कर रही हो तो साउंड इज वेरी नॉर्मल with the same frequency, that is low frequency, but when I am hitting it very hard then the sound is high frequency, ठीक है। oscillation and frequency is what, frequency का मतलब क्या है कि मूवमेंट होना in 1 second, frequency is what, the oscillations per second, ठीक है, number of oscillations per second, कि कितनी बार to and fro motion में वो चीज गई 1 सेकेंड में, that is called its frequency, ठीक है। एंड व्हाट इज ऑसिलेशन, टू एंड फ्रो, इज दिस टर्म्स क्लियर, ठीक है। वी विल डिस्कस